Hi guys, welcome back. It's Jelisa and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so you'll never miss another video. If you're not new, welcome back. So guys, this video is a quick video of me unboxing my cork head. This video is a video of me unboxing my wig head, cork head, whatever you call it. I'm unboxing it. So for the longest time, like, I had been searching for videos and on websites for larger size cork heads. So I'm just gonna call it a wig head. So I've been searching everywhere for a larger size wig head, and for some reason I was not able to find it. So I gave up. I was searching for it earlier this year, so I gave up on it. And as I was looking through YouTube, I came across a 24-inch wig head, and I was like, what? Where have this been all my life? And when I was searching for it, so I jumped on it, and it's from Amazon. I jumped on it and purchased it, and it just came today, you guys, and I'm so excited. We're gonna be unboxing it and sizing it up and all of that. Let me go ahead and open this. Alright, so I finally got it open, and here we are. Woo! Okay, so let's put that down here. Straight out of the box, this is what it looks like, and this is the big head. So let's go ahead and bust this sucker open. Wow, this is a big head. Oh, big head. This is a big head, guys. Like, wow. This is what it looks like. I hope you guys can really see this and see how big this is. So I'm guessing this part is the face, and this is the back of the head, the curve in the back. So yes, this head is really big. I was wanting to start making wigs, so I went ahead and jumped on this purchase. So right here I have my measuring tape, and we're gonna measure this and see if this really is 24 inches. It's 24 inches. I don't know why I'm so excited about this. Like, duh. I purchased a 24-inch one, but yeah, let me get this to where you guys can see it. Here is the 24-inch mark right there, and you can see the silver part right above it is on the 24-inch, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around so you can see it's right here at that curved part in the back of your head, and right here at where your edges would be. So it is 24 inches, guys, and I am so excited about it. This is what it looks like on the bottom. Well, you guys know, you probably already have this. It just says 24 right here. We're gonna go ahead and measure my head too. I've measured it before, but I don't know if it's accurate, but we're gonna go ahead and do it right now. So I'm gonna start right here at my edges. I'm gonna go around. Gosh, I got my hair in a puff. All right, let's see. It may be just a tad bit off because of my hair, but here we go. That right there at the curve, right here. So I am about a 23.5, closer, well, a little bit closer to the 24 mark. This is 24. Gosh, I should have, let's turn it over here. This is 24 and 23, so I'm right in between the 23 and a half and 24 right there. So yes, I have a big head, it's confirmed. But so I'm so excited to be using this. I'm gonna be making wigs, you guys. I've never made a wig before, so I'm so excited about this big old head. And another thing I purchased was the, I don't know what it, okay, it's called a wig clamp. Swivel wig head styling clamp with adjustable rotator. So this is what it came in, this little baggie. And it had all positive reviews. So let's go ahead and take this out of the bag. So this comes in three pieces, and let's go ahead and try to put this together. With these two parts, you put this part into that part, and so it can swivel and turn because the head sits up here. So then you take this part and screw it onto here. See, I was trying to screw it on first. That's what I did. So, alright, here we go. So you unscrew this bottom part and you stick the table. So if this is the table, you stick it like this and you tighten it back up. And it's gonna sit up just like this. So I can sit at my vanity and make my wig, guys. I'm so excited. I'm excited. So let's try to put this in here. All right, yeah, that's pretty stable. So I'm just moving it around, yeah. So this is how it looks when it's all put together, just like this, and the wig head is on. So I'm so excited about my purchases. Oh yeah, one other thing I purchased, and all of this, guys, is from Amazon. So, and I'll have all the details and pricing and everything, the website down below in the details box or description box. So I also purchased these T-pins, and it is, well, I purchased the 2-inch ones and I got the 1.5 inch. But whatever, it's 100 pins in here. So let's take some of these out and see. This is how they look. Well, one of them. And you can stick it into your cork head to hold your wig down, hold your frontal, your lace closure, any of that down as you're sewing or gluing or whatever you want to do. So guys, that is it for this big old head unboxing. So I'm looking forward to making wigs and showing you guys how I will be making them. And yeah, I'm just all over excited about this. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and do so. So until next time, guys, I love you and be blessed.